Hi, future Laura, coming in real quick just to say if you're looking specifically for the closet clean out section of this video, I'm gonna leave the timestamp right here so that way you can go check it out. If not though, enjoy the entire chaos that is this vlog. It's fun. We'll get there eventually. Okay, bye. Hello internet friends. This is kind of technically a continuation of Thursday's or Wednesday's video, whatever day I end up getting it out. When I went to Deseret, I came home, started laundry, and I was like, you know what? Let's pop over to Savers. I do want to point out though, this has nothing to do with thrifting whatsoever. I love that I feel comfortable enough in this city right now to just go thrift and go to multiple different locations. I feel like when I was in LA, I just couldn't do that. It would give me so much anxiety and it would take me forever to get from place to place. I'm sure it's clear how much I am kind of at ease when it comes to Vegas. Obviously, it's where I grew up, so it's somewhere that I just ultimately feel comfortable in. But I think also at the same time, like that slower pace, I just needed that, you know? Let's head into Savers. Enough chit chat. Yeah, let's get this video started. I have wanted a tuxedo shirt for ages, and this one just so happens to be machine washable. I'll take it. Am I getting this dress because it reminds me of Bridgerton? Maybe. Possibly. Okay, the sun is setting like right in my face. That's attractive. I have sunscreen on though. Wear your sunscreen, kids. I would say that was pretty good. That was pretty darn good. I'm also gonna go ahead and call this the Bridgerton summer. The summer of Bridgerton. Even though in the show Bridgerton, I would be considered a spinster at this point, you know, I'm here for it. And I picked up two dresses that are very Bridgerton vibes. And then also that tuxedo blouse top thing. I feel like I could, you know, do something fun with that. That's kind of Bridgerton-esque. Okay, this is painful at this point. Hello. So today I have to go get my shipping taken care of. So I am going to head out to the post office. If I have enough time, I might go to Savers or to, I don't know, I kind of want to switch it up. I'm like, should I go to Salvation Army? I have not been to Salvation Army yet. That might be on the list. However, we will see. But for now, this is my outfit of the day. Got this 1970s puff sleeve button down on, and then this is the Crizia striped like pencil skirt thing going on. And then of course, you guys know, New Balance sneakers. That was a bit of a bust. What a bummer. I think now I'm gonna try and go find Salvation Army. It's next on the list. What a bummer. Also, why is my nose red? Dude, WTF, man. I don't know what is going on, but apparently I'm not supposed to thrift anything today. Did a reseller convention just happen or something? Something's going on. Am I having a breakdown because I couldn't find anything at Salvation Army or Goodwill? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm gonna go get a water. We're gonna turn this around. It's gonna be okay. If anyone ever wonders why I stopped recording so much in Las Vegas, like I used to record so much cool stuff in LA, but honestly, this is it in Vegas. It's all a bunch of shopping malls, shopping centers. You can find beauty in anything, don't get me wrong, but Vegas, I need to refine the beauty out here. Truthfully though, the beauty in Vegas comes with my family being here, me being able to spend unlimited amount of time with dogs, 3 of them to be precise. I guess I have found my beauty just in different ways. Aw, look at this. That just became so heartfelt. Two items. Way better better than nothing. I seriously think the thrift gods are like, Laura, go home. You have plenty of stuff. Make what you have work because you have cute clothes. And yeah, list the stuff that you're trying to put up for sale and call it a day. So I did not expect to do this week, but it just kind of feels right with the lack of stuff that I found at the thrift store this week. I really wanted to switch out the majority of my closet. As some of you guys might know, I'm in a temporary living situation and a lot of my clothes are still in boxes underneath my bed. So most of it is summer clothing, spring clothing, so I've just kind of had it tucked away. In my old apartment, the bar in my closet snapped and fell because I overstuffed it, and I don't want that to happen here. I am doing an impromptu closet clean out, I guess, which is kind of ironic and silly because in a previous video I just talked about how you shouldn't get rid of your clothes. And yeah, I guess now I'm backpedaling on that statement. Some of the pieces that I'm getting rid of though, this top, I got this when I was in LA. It's very like Stevie Nicks top. I just haven't worn it at all. This dress I got in LA and haven't worn it at all. I thought I was gonna wear it as like a layering piece. This dress, you guys saw this one recently. I thought for sure I was gonna keep it. I tried it on, and when I tried it on, I was looking at it and I was like, I have like 3 other dresses that are so similar to this. So yeah, some of this stuff I'm just like, it's time. It is time to purge some of it. I cannot believe I'm getting rid of this Zara coat. I think this was in my favorites of 2021 and here I am getting rid of it. I think the reason I'm ready to get rid of this jacket though is mainly because I still have this jacket that I wear nonstop in cold weather, and I just haven't pulled this one out at all. So I think it's time. It's time to say goodbye. Okay, I think this is the part that I'm most excited for though, and that is opening up some of the boxes from LA. I haven't gone through these in 6 months now. Oh, I forgot all about this. This is a stunning, like, strapless little number. Definitely putting this back in my closet. I feel like I thrifted this semi-recently. This is like an 80s floral. I just like the way that it fits. Like, it's very, almost hourglass figure in the center. That one's definitely coming out. Ooh, this is like a little cheapy H&M gauze dress. Definitely bringing that one out. This sweater I actually wore in a couple Instagram posts. I think it's seen its time with me. I don't know. I think I might actually put this in the pile. And of course, I feel like I probably have a boucle cardigan in every box. Okay, so I love that I just spent the last month looking for slip dresses because I couldn't find my slip, and I found it. It was packed away in a box. I think this is listed in my Poshmark closet. Jeez, oh man, I'm glad I found it. Well, that's going back out into the universe. How did I let this get tucked away in a box? Oh my gosh, you guys, I wore this sweater to death. It's probably why I kept it in a box. Ooh, some cute little Bermuda shorts. These are good to pull out for summer. This is another really good strapless number. Definitely bringing this bad boy out. Man, I'm gonna have a lot of clothes steaming to do. You know, I had this listed for a little while and it did not sell. This is a vintage Lily Rubin dress. And when it didn't sell, I decided to pull it for myself. Ooh, my United Colors of Benetton mock neck shirt that is so wrinkled. I wore this in so many videos, so many Instagram photos. I think this used to be like a styling piece for me. I think I might be sending this back out into the universe. I have a brown one now that is so similar to it that I wear all the time. I think it's time. I think it's time to say goodbye to that. It's like a great 90s Y2K piece. This, ooh, I might have to try this on. I can't remember how this fit me, but this is a cause dress that I thrifted, and it doesn't have the size tag in it, so I decided to keep it for myself because it was missing the size tag. This one was definitely a keeper. Now I remember why I kept this. It doesn't have a size on it, but I'm assuming it's probably a small or a medium. The pleating on it, it just, I love this brand. I get so excited whenever I find this at the thrift store, even though the resale value on it is not fantastic. It's just good, it's good make, it's good quality. This, I am so pleasantly surprised by this. I didn't get a chance to try this on when I thrifted it. This is that cheap H&M dress that I picked up. The gauze, the sleeves, everything. I did not expect this. I did not expect this at all. This is like a perfect lounge dress. I didn't really need a reminder to keep this, but I guess I did need a reminder that I need to wear this, like ASAP. Look at how beautiful this dress is. Oh my gosh. Love this piece. I can't believe that it was in storage for so long. 6 months is too long. This bad boy's coming out. It's finally weather appropriate. This vlog was probably one of the most chaotic vlogs I think I've ever put together, so I hope it somehow all comes together and makes sense. That is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.